Presenting a pre-owned 2007 Cadillac STS V8 Platinum. This four-door sedan has an 8-cylinder, 4.6-liter V8 engine, with rear-wheel drive, and an automatic transmission. This Cadillac has less than 88,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 15 miles per gallon in the city, and 24 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include performance package, DVD player, leather seats, power sunroof, automatic climate control, Sirius satellite radio, anti-lock brakes, cruise control, keyless entry, power steering, universal remote, power door locks, stability control, traction control, OnStar, and power windows.